In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix EA app slow download speed issues or problems. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what we need to do is open up the EA app on our PC or laptop. From here, make sure to log in. And then on the top left hand corner, I'm just going to maximize this. Click on the three horizontal bars and then click into settings. And now we need to click onto the download tab under settings. And then under downloads, it's got limit download rate. So as you can see, mine has been limited to 5 megabytes per second. So I'll only ever get a max speed, download speed of 5 megabytes per second. So if it is 5 megabytes 10, we need to change that to unlimited. And then from there, that should help you increase your download speed inside the EA app. If that doesn't, another thing we can do is click on the three horizontal bars on the top left hand corner, click on help, and then click on app recovery, and then go ahead and click on clear cache. That's going to look alright. So I'm going to go ahead and click on clear cache and then open up EA Sports, and that should fix your slow download speeds. So yeah, just check your EA Sports app again. If you still got issues downloading slow on EA, what we can do is click out of the app and then click on search, and then we need to type in CMD command prompt. So click into command prompt because we're going to perform a few different commands. Now from here we want to type in NETSH INT TCP set global auto tuning level to normal, and then click enter. Then type in ipconfig /flush DNS, hit enter, and then type in pconfig /release, then hit enter. And then we want to type in ipconfig /renew and then hit enter. And then we're going to hit ipcoetsh win sock reset, hit enter. And then the last one we're going to put in netsh int ip reset, hit enter. Then from here, restart your PC and then head back to your EA app and then see if that's fixed your slow download speeds, which it should have. And if you're still having issues having a slow download speed inside EA app, we can perform one more thing. So click on search. We need to head to control panel. So search for control panel. Now from here, navigate and click on network and sharing center, and then we need to change adapter settings on the left hand side, second tab down, and then click onto your Wi-Fi or your internet, and from here click on the properties, and then from here we got internet protocol, click onto that, click on the properties, and then in your case it should be on the obtain DNS server address automatically. Click on the bottom one, use the following DNS server address. So we need to type in 8888 and the alternate DNS server 8844, and then go ahead and click on OK, close out of that, and then go back to your EA app and see if that's finally fixed your slow download speeds.